dedicated to preparing its students for the global workforce. So the school is also recognized for its diversity, welcoming students from over 100 cultural backgrounds, wow, making it a truly international learning environment. And today, we are fortunate enough to hear directly from one of their passionate representatives who will guide us in discovering the many opportunities Centennial College has to offer. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Andre Balayan.
Hello everyone, thank you. First of all, I want to congratulate Field Global on their 11th anniversary. Happy anniversary Field Global, and I want to introduce again myself. My name is Andre Balayan. I'm the Admissions and Marketing Specialist of Centennial College. And I will present to you today kung ano ba ang pwede nyo makuha and ma-expect sa Centennial College. Alright? Ito ba? Okay. Saan dito? Alright, thank you so much for this one. Okay, for this one, saan tututo? Saan ba? Sige. Hindi siya nagana. Wait lang natin, guys. May technical error lang tayo, but it's okay. Okay na? Okay, thank you so much. Alright, as you can see here, Centennial College is located in the state of Ontario, and ang city niya is sa Toronto mismo. We are located in Toronto, and ang Toronto is the fastest and largest growing tech hub, not just in Canada, but in the whole North America. Mas mabilis pa siya kaysa sa Silicon Valley, so there is a lot of job opportunities in Centennial College. Next one. Alright, as you can see here, Centennial College, tulad ng sinabi ni Sir kanina, we are the first publicly funded college in Ontario, Canada, meaning ang nagpa-fund sa amin ng government, and most of our facilities are state-of-the-art. And dahil dyan, we have the largest number of Filipino students in Canada. From the year 2020 up to date, we have around more than 10,000 Filipino students who attended Centennial College. And dahil sa sobrang daming Filipinos, Centennial decided to create an organization for us Filipinos. It's called Centennialista. Hindi kayo ma-homesick pag sa Centennial kayo pumunta because parang nasa Pilipinas din kayo. Nagkakaroon kami ng mga events dyan for Filipino people. We have movie nights, we have Casa Manila, and many, many more. Ano ba ang advantage pag maraming Filipinos? Unang-unang trabaho. Word of mouth. Pasok mo ko dito, pasok mo naman ako dyan. Pangalawa, pag nag-i-struggle tayo, ang dali lumapit sa kapwa Pilipino para humingi ng tulong. Next one. Ito, excited tayo dito. Scholarships. Alright? We have the entrance scholarship. If you decided to enter Centennial College by winter 2026 or January 2026, automatic to Wala na kayong i-apply. Automatic, meron na agad kayong entrance scholarships. For a 2-year program, usually 2-year program ang kinukuha, we have around 3,000 Canadian dollars in scholarship, 2,000 in the first one, and then 1,000 in the second year. Okay? Pag 1-year program naman, 2,000 Canadian dollars. Pag 3rd year, total of 4,000. And for a 4-year program, that's a total of 5,000 Canadian dollars. Paano ba nag-work to? Automatic, pag nag-enroll nyo yung Centennial, pasok na siya sa account nyo. Ibabawas na yan sa tuition fee nyo na kailangan nyo bayaran before you leave. Okay? And I'll show you later on how much ba ang tuition fee dito. Next scholarship is the International Mobility Scholarship. Kung nag-decide kayo, ay medyo tagalan ko pa na konti. Fall 2026 naman tayo. Next year, kumbaga. Up to 4,000 naman dito. Pero dito, kailangan nyo siya i-apply. It really depends on your performance, on your grades, sa admissions test nyo. And kailangan dito minimum 2-year program. Bawal ang 1-year program dito, okay? Next one is for our students na may graduate na or may bachelor's degree na, itong 1+1 postgraduate loyalty scholarship is perfect for you. Why? Kasi hindi naman tayo pwede mag-take na ng post-secondary programs eh. Ang kailangan na natin is postgraduate programs kapag may degree na tayo dito. And ang postgraduates natin is 1 year lang lagi. So, in order for us na makuha ang 3-year na work permit, at least 2 years tayo kailangan mag-aral kasi. Pag 1 year lang tayo nag-aral, 1 year lang din work permit natin. Pag 2 years, minimum of 3 years ang work permit natin. So, ang laging ginagawa and pinakamagandang gawin is to take dalawang postgraduate na programs. Okay? Dalawang 1-year program. And kapag ganun ginawa yung Centennial, automatic, may 1,000 Canadian dollars na kayo na scholarship sa second program nyo. Pero, pag maganda pa grades nyo, ang average nyo is B+. May additional 1,000 Canadian dollars na naman kayo for a total of 2,000 Canadian dollars. E di, pasok na kayo sa entrance scholarship, pasok pa kayo sa 1+1 postgraduate loyal scholarship. Dalawang scholarship agad ang eligible sa inyo para nag-enroll kayo here. Next slide please. Sorry. Alright, ito liberal arts 2+2 pathway. Kung gusto naman natin ng degree, may partnership kami with University of Toronto, 2 years sa Centennial, and then 2 years sa University of Toronto. And ang liberal arts kasi hindi siya work permit eligible, pero if you take this pathway, magiging eligible siya and all of these programs, okay? Pero 4-year program to. Kagandahan dito, may diploma ka na sa Centennial, may degree ka pa sa University of Toronto, and pwede mo gamitin both facilities. Magkatapat lang kasi yung school na yan. Okay? And kay Centennial ang kagandahan, we don't need to take an English test. Walang IELTS, okay? You just need an MOI or letter of English as medium of instruction. Libre lang yan sa registrar. Wala kayong babayaran. Kukunin nyo lang sa school nyo. And for the tuition fee, ito na. 17,000 to 18,000 Canadian dollars ang average kay Centennial College. Minus nyo kagad yung entrance scholarship na makukuha nyo. Minus 2,000 nyo kagad. So, nagre-ranges na lang siya around 16. Sabi nyo na 16,000 Canadian dollars. Ang deposit kay Centennial, 2,000 CAD lang. Okay? And in 1 to 3 days, after nyo masubmit kay Field Global lahat ng documents nyo, mariya-release na kagad yung letter of acceptance nyo. Ganun kabilis. Because we handle the applications here in the Philippines also. You don't need to wait for a long time for your LOAs para makapag-process. And after mo ma-receive ng LOA, within 10 days, you need to pay your deposit na para maging eligible for the scholarship. 2,000 CAD siya. Okay, 2,000 Canadian dollars. And bago ka umalis ng Pilipinas, you don't need to pay the whole tuition fee sa Centennial. First semester lang. The first semester. Ito tuition fee na to, 1 year na to guys. 18,000, 1 year na to. So, ang first semester, sabi natin 9,000. Nagbayad ka na ng deposit, minus mo doon 2,000. Okay? So, babayaran mo na lang around 7,000 na lang. Maglalabas ka lang ng around 9,000 pesos. Tapos, iba-minus pa yung $2,000 sa scholarship mo pa. Iwalay pa yun. So, magkano lang ilalabas mo? Around 7 lang, di ba? And then the rest, you can pay na kapag nasa Canada na kayo. Walang application fee if you apply through Field Global, libre. No need for entrance exam na rin dito, basta pasado lahat ng subjects nyo. Walang bayan, application fee, everything is good to go. Next one is student support kay Centennial. As you can see here, we have a pre-arrival program. We have a website or a CAS where you can adjust your schedule. Kung may part-time kayo, pwede nyo ma-adjust yung schedule nyo as much as you want. And then, career services. Ang kagandahan dito sa career services, after you graduate, if you need assistance sa paghahanap ng job, may sariling building ang Centennial for graduates dyan. Paano maglagay ng cover letter, paano mag-prepare for interview, and you can use this one kahit 2 years graduate na kayo. Alright, and kay Centennial, unlimited din ang Coursera courses. Ano ba ang Coursera courses? For the first 3 months mo kay Centennial, libre access dito. May certification in Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Samsung, and kahit anong companies yan, we have around 450 courses for your certification, libre yan. And housing, we have Centennial Place, para siyang dorm ng Centennial College. If wala pa kayo matitirahan, you can stay here. Pero may bayad to, hiwalay ito sa tuition, okay? This costs around $1,000 to $1,500 dollars per month. And as you can see here, state-of-the-art facilities yan. Ang kagandahan kay Centennial, di ba in Canada, we can work 24 hours in a week as part-time. Kay Centennial, you can apply as a part-time student worker na hindi na babawasan yung 24 hours nyo. Unlimited kay Centennial. Pwede kayo maging crew sa restaurant siya ng Centennial, sa library nila, and binabayaran kayo ng Centennial College. Hiwalay pa sa part-time nyo yan. So, napakadaming job opportunities open for Filipinos. That's why this is one of the top destinations. Next one. Kapag nagtitipid naman tayo sa housing, we have Centennial College Student Housing Services. Ano ba to? Ang naghahawak nito is mga faculty na Centennial College. And ito ranges lang siya around $450 to $900 Canadian dollars. Sa mga medyo nagtitipid, you can check here. Ano na siya, puro siya shared space or shared room, something like that. And pag wala naman tayong gamit, laptop, computer, no problem. Centennial College also has a partnership with Alienware. Okay? So, pwedeng gamitin ito ng lahat ng students natin. Last one is virtual tour. If curious ba kayo anong itsura ng campuses natin, you can just go to our website, centennialcollege.ca, just type virtual tour, and you can see here all of our campuses. If may gusto mag-pilot dyan, we also have that course for you. We are partner with the Canadian Flight Academy. Ito yung sample ng team ng Centennial College, libre yan sa lahat ng students. Pag nagpunta ka ng virtual tour, ganyan na makikita niyong sample. Alright, next one is, we have over 1,500 industry partners. Ano ba ibig sabihin na pag-partner mo ang Google, Samsung, Facebook, Air Canada, City of Toronto, many more. Sila ang nag-shape ng curriculum ng Centennial College. And kapag sila naghanap ng employee, saan pa ba sila hahanap? Diba syempre, sa shinig na nila na curriculum kasi alam nilang ready na yung student ngayon to apply through them kasi sino ba kumuha ng curriculum na yun para maging ready? Hindi kami. So this is a huge factor. That's why we have over 95% employability rate if students proceed to go to Centennial. For sports, we have a lot of sports. We also have esports. Walang kasawaan. Marami kang pagpipilian kung anong gusto mong trip. Hindi lang basta aral dito. You can also do sports and also esports sa kagandahan dyan. May tournament kami dito ng Valorant at Dota. As in. Alright, and pagdating nyo sa Centennial, pag nag-enroll pala kayo kay Centennial College, automatic, may health insurance na tayo. Libre na yan. Kasama na sa tuition fee nyo yan, guard me insurance, and ang kagandahan dito, insured ka sa buong mundo maliban lang sa Pilipinas. Okay, hindi lang sa Canada. Pag kahit sa ka magpunta sa buong mundo, insured ka, ang health insurance mo covered, maliban lang sa country of origin. Okay? And ito pa, peer tutoring. Kapag nag-i-struggle tayo sa mga programs, libre ang tutoring kay Centennial. And ang kagandahan dito, pag nag-excel tayo, pwede tayo mag-apply as tutor. And nagbabayad ang Centennial College sa mga tutors nila. Habang students pa tayo, pwede pa tayo mag-tutor. Usually, ang binabayad ng Cencol, around $15 Canadian per hour. Alright? Sipin niyo yun. Hiwalay pa yun sa 24 hours na part-time nyo. So, you have a lot of opportunities. Basta i-manage nyo lang yung timetable nyo and schedule ng classes nyo. And career fairs and events. Okay, as you can see here, lagi nag-organize ang Centennial College ng career fairs and events. So, marami kayong choices na pwede to look for a job. And that's it. So, if you have any questions later on, my booth is inside there. And may Q&A ba tayo ngayon? Alright, sige. Thank you so much, guys!